Guess the meme song, but you only have one clue with the video today. Can you finish the game with a perfect score? Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Star Quiz channel. 1 point for each correct answer. Try to get the maximum score. Round 1. Which meme song do you think this is? Yep, it's Skibidi Toilet. Round 2. Do you know this meme? Perfect. It's a happy cat. Round 3. Can you tell us which meme this is? It's the 1-2 buckle my shoe meme.
Buckle my shoe, 3, 4, buckle some more.
Round 4. Guess which meme this is? Great job. It's Wednesday meme. Round 5. Guess which one of these 3 is the real Wednesday? Perfect. It's C. Round 6. Can you find the correct puzzle piece for this picture? Nicely done. It's A. Round 7. Which meme do you think of first when you see the clue? Neat. It's Bowser singing the Peach song.
I'm gonna love you till the very end.
Round 8. Can you tell us which meme this is? Yep, it's B. Round 9. Do you know which meme matches this clue? That's right, it's A. Round 10. Can you tell us which meme fits this clue? Well done, it's C. Round 11. Pick the odd Gigachad out. Round 12. Is it true that the Gigachad guy is photoshopped? Nope, he's real. Round 13. Do you know which one this clue describes? Perfect, it's B. Round 14. Guess which meme this is? Great job, it's the Pink Panther meme. Round 15. Which meme do you think this is? That's right, it's the Ronaldo drinking meme. Round 16, guess where the ball was? The answer is B. Round 17, is it true that Ronaldo is currently 40 years old? No, he's 38 years old. Round 18, which meme do you think this is? A is the correct answer. Round 19, guess which meme this is? Amazing! It's the Mr. Incredible becomes Kenny meme. Round 20. Do you know the answer? I knew you could do it. It's C. Round 21. Spot the differences in these two pictures. Nicely done. Round 22. Do you know which one of these three is the real King Julian? Yup, it's B. Round 23. Guess which song this matches? Yup, it's Illuminati confirmed. Round 24. Pick the odd Illuminati out. Round 25. Do you know which meme this is? The answer is in the comments section, so remember to check it out. Our video comes to an end here. How many points have you got? Leave a comment to let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe Star Quiz channel. Goodbye and see you again.